I'm Alan. Today we talk about information technology. With the progress of the information technology, people's life has changed a lot. Something about information technology will be around people, like mobile phone and iPad, and the computers. Uh, some electronic products. So, what is IT? Information technology is application of computers and telecommunications equipment to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate data, often in the context of a business or other enterprise. IT is the use of computer and network to store, process, and receive data. So by using this product, the life of people become more convenient. For that one, the mobile phone. So mobile phone that people can easily contact to people around the world, like China.
Hello，你好，你吃饭了吗？昨天撸啊撸五杀了吗
And for the Europe, English.
？Hello, how are you? Okay, good. Nice to meet you.
And maybe the Japan.
やめて。こんにちは。さよなら。
And Korea.
欧巴，思密达，萨拉菲哟。
And the last one, Indonesia.
Kita ke masalah, aku kita kamu selamanya.
Okay, for other one, computer. Computer, we can use that to play game, surf internet, and chat with friends. And watching movie for computer. Okay. For the other one, iPad. This is a small tables. We can download the different iPads like PPTV, WeChat, YouTube, and something like a good game like this one. And maybe some interest software. The progress of information technology to communicate and work to make friends. And now the people more and more depend on the technology about information technologies. Okay, it's my part. So next my partner part.
The history of the internet. The history of the internet began with the development of electronic computers in the 1950s. The first message was sent over the ARPANET, which evolved into the internet from the computer science professor Leonardo Kleinrock's laboratory at the University of California, Los Angeles. After the second piece of network equipment was installed at Stanford Research Institute, packet switched networks such as ARPANET, Mac-I at NPL in the UK, Thales Merge Network, Tynet, and Telenet were developed in the late 1960s and early 1970s using a variety of protocols. The ARPANET in particular led to
the ARPANET in particular led to the development of protocols for internet working, in which multi-part separate network could be joined together into a network of networkers. In 1982, the Internet Protocols suite TCP/IP was standardized, and consequently, the concept of a worldwide network of interconnected TCP/IP network called the Internet was introduced. Access to the ARPANET was expanded in 1981 when the National Science Foundation developed the Computer Science Network, and again in 1986 when NSFNet provided access from research and education organization. Commercial Internet service provider began emerging in the late 1980s and early 1990s. The ARPANET was decommissioned in 1990. The ARPANET was decommissioned in 1990. The Internet was commercialized in 1995 when NSFNet was decommissioned, removing the last restrictions on the use of the Internet to carry commercial traffic. OK， 就这样。